So out came the volume control, because what I wanted to do originally was get the on-off switch working correctly again, which was gummed up inside there. So I figured it would be a case of just cleaning up inside there very carefully. But look at this. The material that constitutes the body of this volume pot, see the cracks? I mean, I've never seen anything like this. Well, maybe I have once or twice, but not often. This is some kind of an alloy, probably a pewter of some sort that, well, it's broken. So I'm going to have to try to find another volume, and because this is a combined volume and tone switch plus an on-off switch. So by pulling on the shaft up here, that turns it off and on, the radio off and on. But this switch has just had its days. I don't know how I'm going to get this thing back to life. I hope I can find a spare part for it. Remember, this radio is from 1952-53. Its life is over. So there's a mystery for you, but that's not going to stop me. In the meantime, I will install a normal modern volume pot just so I can get the radio up and working again. And then I'll continue with trying to find a part for that, because the show must go on, and this radio is just too beautiful to not finish. So, yeah, while we're here, you can see how badly this capacitor has spewed its guts. Blech. Done a little puke there. These guys are on the side here as well. The light's a bit dim with my flashlight. Get a look in there. Those boys have also had a little vomit there. So yeah, lots of capacitors to change, which we'll do. And excuse me, I'm shaking my camera around, my phone. So the show will go on, the radio will get done. In the meantime, I'm going to start with capacitors and just installing a temporary volume control over here. 1 meg pot should be just fine, which I happen to have. So let's continue.